In this case with Cmr, I have heard enough.
Yeah. Go on mute, yeah, go on. Ease yourself, just keep it calm, mute your star. Only per pressure, I'm a corner. One time it hard for carry on. You no need no girl for turn to, no man for talk to. Feelings hurt, on the journey so far.
Welcome, Stickers family, my enlightened keepers of Owen Allen Media, alongside our new arrivals to the channel. Alright, so Cmr has been exposed as a liar with undeniable proof. Huge thanks to Voice of the Victims for bringing this police report to the public, shedding light on the entire Cmr case. Cmr tried to mislead Mr. Vegas, spinning a web of lies and claiming it was someone else and not his stepdaughter. But Cmr didn't expect that vloggers like us would dig deep and uncover the real story. Alright, so listen to what Mr. Vegas had to say about his conversation with Cmr.
In this case with Cmr, I have heard enough. And based on the police report, I want to tell you, Cmr, so you're sick. I mean, now say you're sick based on just the police report. May I tell you, say you're sick based on what you tell me. Yeah. You see, as a father, brother, me can't protect a predator. You see, as a father, me can't protect a child molester. Me love me picking them too much, brother. Me have a daughter, 10 years old. And me have a son, 10 years old. And me have other children, but them they are the little one them. So when me look on a 10-year-old little girl, she not far from a 12 or a 13-year-old little girl. Yeah. So anybody will violate a 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, whatever age, and child innocence. Once you violate a child's innocence, you're sick, brother. Baby that, brother. Now, the reason why I even come out come say due process, because I still leave room for due process no matter how me feel, because as a person who matriculated in the field of sociology, I have to deal with things objectively. You see? But with your situation, the reason why I have to let it be known so you're sick is because you're not only a monster in my view, in my understanding, in my thoughts, you're a pathological liar. Yeah. And it hurt me for know, so I said that before your trial even start, if it get to that. But whether you go to trial, yes or no, you are a pathological liar. Whether you're found guilty, them find you guilty, yes or no, you are a pathological liar. Based on the police report and what you tell me. What you told me and what is in the police report, and you spoke to me so convincing, and me as a father felt obligated to go and protect your stepdaughter, because the people have put her picture all over the internet. We also have a family thing and everybody know her face. So I felt as a father that I must go out there and tell them, say, it's not your stepdaughter, because you told me it's not your stepdaughter. You told me it's somebody's daughter come sleep over your house. You told me it's a Trini lady daughter come sleep over. So right there say click to me, say me no want my picnic go sleep on nobody yard, you know. One, me not sure how I go on, me not know how I go on, and two, me no want nobody accuse me of anything. But I know that the police reporter said, brother. You say the little girl, that mother, reported to the police. I know that the police reporter said. You say the mother is at Trini. And the little girl sleep over your house. And you went to wake her up. And you touch her upon her shoulder and say, get up, time for school. You told me that your stepdaughter was already up playing with her iPad on the bed. You told me that your wife had to download the footage them that you had to show that you are innocent and take it to the court, and that is how you got bail. You told me that they didn't even put a bangle on you. They never put no monitor on you, no bracelet, excuse me. Because the judge said, why is it that the mother is saying one thing and the child is saying something else? You said the child said. So you tell me, you know. You said the child said to the court or in her report that she never said you touch her upon her breast. And the mother said so. You're very dangerous, brother, if what this police report is saying is what actually the child reported. And the reason I feel obligated to do this is because I don't protect predators, brother. And I want whosoever involved to see this, to make them know that you are a liar. And them can take my phone for forensic if them need it. Because I don't like predators, brother. What in the report bothers me so much when I not sleep last night? Yeah. And the fact that she had to go to the school or somebody outside of the home to make a complaint about you, it's telling. The report said you pulled down her pants. The report said this happened 3 times. You were grooming her if this is the case. But it's contradictory to what you told me. So where is the Trini mother, Cmr? Where is the girl that sleep over Cmr? As a father, you send me, you give me information, and it clicked in and said, no, me must go protect this little girl because me don't want she there at school or they out there and people that say she get, you know, molested by her stepdaddy. So of course me go if it stop that bleeding there. But you open up more wounds because you're sick. If this police record is really what happened, and me get it from a legitimate site. You're crazy, brother. You need help, brother. A baby that, brother. And me can't believe you. Say nothing no go so, or nothing no go on. Why? Because you lied to me, bro. Remember, say you never have to even say nothing to me, you know. Me just text you and say, brother, where this no look good. That's all I said to you, you know. You never have to even say nothing to me. Me even said to you, say, remember, say this can be used against you in a court of law. So me I make you know, say, me know they have to protect you if something really goes so, if something really goes so. But as a father, I felt obligated to protect that little girl. But you open up more wounds. So the beating way I get, it'll get worse. Because I want the world to know that you are a liar. You are a sick person based on the police report. Because we still are going to leave a little 1% there. Say I know the police report that. But if that are the police report, brother, you need to go to prison. Why? Because you're no.
Alright, that's the video for today, and I just want to say this is the end of Cmr. The Cmr that we once knew is no longer. His credibility has completely destroyed, right? As more information emerges, we'll continue to update you or keep investigating to bring you the full truth on this whole case. Thanks for the likes, thanks for the subscribe, thanks for the views, thanks for the comments as always. I'm out.